So the question is, which statement regarding the Brewster angle and unpolarized relation is correct here? It's known that when an unpolarized light strikes a surface at a Brewster angle, the behavior of a reflected and refracted light can be explained by using a principle of polarization and nature of a Brewster angle. Whereas Brewster angle is the angle of incident at which the reflected light is perfectly polarized. Or else, in the case of polarization of reflected and refracted light, we can say at Brewster angle, the reflected light will get completely polarized. Similarly, we can say the refracted light, because of the Brewster angle, will not completely polarized. They will only slightly polarize. So here, when we are checking the option B given here is correctly representing the relation between unpolarized light and the Brewster angle. So option B will be the correct answer for this question.